We're diving into 8 powerful methods that can help you become 10 times better in both your personal and professional life. These aren't just quick fixes, these are fundamental shifts in mindset and action that can unlock your true potential. We're talking about igniting a fire within you, a drive that propels you towards becoming the best version of yourself. We're kicking things off with the cornerstone of any lasting change: self-discipline. It's not about being hard on yourself, it's about making decisions from a place of power, not impulse. Think of it like building a muscle. At first it's tough. It takes effort, but the more you work it, the stronger it gets. Start small. Don't try to overhaul your entire life overnight. Pick 1 or 2 key habits you want to build and focus on those relentlessly. Maybe it's getting up an hour earlier to exercise or dedicating 30 minutes each day to learning a new skill. Whatever it is, make it non-negotiable. Consistency is key here. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. Don't beat yourself up if you stumble, we all do. The important thing is to get back on track as quickly as possible. Remember, you're building lifelong habits, and that takes time and unwavering commitment. Now let's talk routines. Creating a solid routine can be a game changer when it comes to staying disciplined. Structure provides clarity and reduces decision fatigue. Map out your day, block out time for your priorities, and stick to it as closely as possible. But here's the secret sauce. Make it enjoyable. If you hate running, don't force yourself to do it just because you think you should. Find an activity that energizes you, something you genuinely look forward to. Remember, self-discipline is not about deprivation, it's about empowerment. Let's do this. Let's talk about shifting your perspective, about embracing a mindset that can truly transform your life, the growth mindset. This isn't just some feel-good concept, it's about rewiring your brain to see challenges as opportunities and setbacks as stepping stones to success. Most people approach life with a fixed mindset. They believe their intelligence, their talents, their abilities are set in stone. They avoid challenges because they're afraid of failing, of looking bad. But here's the thing. Failure is not the opposite of success, it's a stepping stone to it. With a growth mindset, you understand that your abilities are not fixed, they're malleable. You can learn, you can grow, you can improve in any area of your life if you're willing to put in the work. Challenges become exciting, not daunting, because they represent an opportunity to expand your skills and knowledge. So how do you cultivate this powerful mindset? It starts with your self-talk. Pay attention to the voice in your head. Is it critical, judgmental, quick to point out your flaws? Or is it encouraging, supportive, believing in your potential? Challenge your negative thoughts. When you catch yourself thinking, "I can't do this," reframe it to, "I can't do this yet." Embrace the power of yet. Surround yourself with people who inspire you, who challenge you to grow, who believe in your potential even when you doubt yourself. The world is waiting for you to unleash your full potential. Let's talk about a resource we all have in equal measure, yet often squander time. It's about time we take control of our schedules, our priorities, and our lives. Time management isn't just about getting things done, it's about designing a life that aligns with your values and goals. The first step is awareness. Where is your time actually going? Track your activities for a week, be brutally honest with yourself. You might be surprised by how much time you're spending on things that don't truly matter to you. Now let's talk prioritization. Not all tasks are created equal. Identify your MITs, your most important tasks, the ones that will have the biggest impact on your goals. Do those first, when your energy and focus are at their peak. Learn to say no. You can't do it all, and you shouldn't try to. Protect your time and energy by saying no to anything that doesn't align with your priorities or bring you joy. Leverage technology. There are countless apps and tools designed to streamline your workflow and boost your productivity. Schedule time for yourself, for the things you love, for the people who matter most. Design your days intentionally, prioritize what truly matters, and watch your productivity soar. Chapter 4. The Art of Communication. In a world that's more connected than ever, communication is key. But it's not just about talking. It's about truly connecting with others, building trust, and creating meaningful relationships. Active listening is the foundation of effective communication. It's about being fully present in the moment, putting aside your own thoughts and judgments, and truly hearing what the other person is saying. Pay attention to their words, their tone, their body language. Clarity is key. Before you speak, take a moment to organize your thoughts. What message are you trying to convey? What outcome do you desire? Use clear, concise language and avoid jargon or technical terms that might confuse your listener. Empathy is crucial. Try to see things from the other person's perspective. What are their needs, their fears, their motivations? When you approach communication with empathy, you build trust and understanding. Nonverbal communication speaks volumes. Your body language, your tone of voice, your facial expressions, they all convey a message. Be mindful of your nonverbal cues and ensure they align with your words. The more you practice, the better you'll become at building rapport, resolving conflicts, and creating meaningful connections. Chapter 5: Emotional Intelligence, Your Secret Weapon. Now, let's dive into a powerful aspect of personal development, emotional intelligence, or EQ. It's about understanding and managing your own emotions and the emotions of others. It's about navigating the complex world of human interaction with grace and empathy. The first step is self-awareness, understanding your own emotions, your triggers, and how they impact your thoughts and behaviors. Pay attention to your body's signals, your thoughts, and your feelings. Next comes self-regulation, the ability to manage your emotions effectively, especially in challenging situations. It's about pausing before reacting, choosing your words and actions consciously, and responding in a way that aligns with your values. Empathy is crucial for building strong relationships. It's about putting yourself in someone else's shoes, understanding their perspective, and responding with compassion and understanding. Remember, emotional intelligence is not about suppressing your emotions. It's about understanding and managing them effectively. Chapter 6: Never Stop Learning. We live in a world that's constantly evolving, which means our learning should never stop. It's about embracing a mindset of curiosity, seeking out new knowledge and skills, and constantly pushing yourself to grow. Make learning a habit. Dedicate time each day, even if it's just 15 minutes, to reading, listening to podcasts, or taking online courses. The key is consistency. Explore your passions. What are you curious about? What lights you up? Dive deep into those areas and become an expert. Passion fuels learning. Embrace new technologies. The digital age offers countless opportunities for learning, from online courses to virtual workshops to interactive simulations. Seek out mentors and coaches. Find people who are doing what you want to do and learn from their experiences. A mentor can provide invaluable guidance and support. Remember, learning is a lifelong journey, not a destination. Chapter 7: Health is wealth, mind, and body. We often neglect our most valuable asset, our health. It's time to prioritize both our physical and mental well-being. Because when you feel good, you perform your best in every area of your life. Movement is medicine. Find an activity you enjoy and make it a non-negotiable part of your routine. Exercise not only strengthens your body, but it also boosts your mood, sharpens your focus, and reduces stress. Nourishment is key. Fuel your body with whole, nutritious foods that provide sustained energy throughout the day. Avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive caffeine. Sleep is non-negotiable. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Sleep deprivation wreaks havoc on your body and mind, impairing your cognitive function, mood, and overall health. Stress management is crucial. Take care of your body and mind, and they'll reward you with energy, vitality, and resilience. Chapter 8: The Power of Goal Setting. Finally, let's talk about harnessing the power of goal setting to create the life you've always dreamed of. It's about identifying your deepest desires, creating a roadmap for success, and taking consistent action to make your vision a reality. The first step is clarity. What do you truly want to achieve? Be specific, be bold, be audacious in your dreams. Write down your goals in detail as if they've already been accomplished. Break it down. Large goals can feel overwhelming. Break them down into smaller, more manageable steps. This creates momentum and makes the journey feel less daunting. Create a plan of action. What specific actions do you need to take each day, week, and month to move closer to your goals? Schedule these actions into your calendar and treat them as non-negotiable appointments. Accountability is key. Share your goals with someone you trust, someone who will support you and hold you accountable. Regular check-ins can help you stay on track and make adjustments as needed. Celebrate your wins. Acknowledge and celebrate your progress along the way. Your journey to 10 times better starts now. Thank you for watching. We hope these 8 methods inspire you to take action and become 10 times better in your life. Remember, transformation begins with a single step, a decision to step into your power and create the life you deserve. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.